Hello students, welcome to Charu's classes. Today we are doing fractions and decimals, exercise 2.1, question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide, and to fit in the frame the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? The width of picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters. This is a mixed fraction, तो हम इसे improper fraction में convert कर लेते हैं. 7 into 5 35 plus 3, so that is 38 by 5 centimeters. The width of the frame, this is given as 7 3 by 10 centimeters, that is 7 into 10 70 plus 3, so this is 73 by 10 centimeters. जो पिक्चर की विड्थ है दैट इज़ एक्चुअली मोर देन द विड्थ ऑफ द फ्रेम. तो अगर हमें उस पिक्चर को उस फ्रेम में डालना है तो डेफिनेटली हमें उस पिक्चर को थोड़ा ट्रिम और कट करना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड, दैट हाउ मच शुड द पिक्चर बी ट्रिम्ड. सो द पिक्चर शुड बी ट्रिम्ड by the difference of the two. जितनी पिक्चर की विड्थ है और फ्रेम की विड्थ उससे कितनी छोटी है उतना पोर्शन हमें उसे ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा. सो इट शुड बी ट्रिम्ड बाय 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. नाउ 10 comes in the table of 5, तो हम फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं so that we can make them like fractions. सो 5 and 38 दोनों को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. 38 2s are 76. Now they have both become like fractions, तो हम 10 एक बार लिखेंगे and we will subtract. That gives us 3 by 10 centimeter. So this is the amount by which the picture should be trimmed. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat and who had the larger share by how much? So there is an apple. अगर उस apple को हम 5 equal parts में divide करें. So I'm just making it random right now. 1 2 3 4 5. So one apple को अगर हम 5 equal parts में डिवाइड करते हैं then Ritu had 3 by 5th part of the apple. So we can write part of apple eaten by Ritu is equal to 3 by 5. They have asked how much is the part of apple eaten by her brother. So part of apple eaten by Somu, एक पूरा एप्पल है और उसमें से 3 by 5 जो है वो रितु ने खाया. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इज 1 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर इज 5, तो 1 को भी अगर हम लाइक फ्रैक्शन बनाना चाहते हैं तो वी कैन राइट इट एज 5 by 5 so that the denominators become equal. So this will become 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. That is the part of apple eaten by Somu, that is 2 by 5. They have asked who had the larger share and by how much. Now Ritu had 3 by 5 of an apple and Somu had 2 by 5 of an apple. So it is clear that Ritu had the larger part. And why is it so? Because 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. They have also asked by how much. So she had the larger part and by how much. So by how much, that means इनका क्या difference है. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 1 by 5. So Ritu's share is 1 by 5 larger than Somu. Then Somu's share. Question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer and by what fraction was it longer? Time taken by Michael. To color the picture. This is 7 by 12 hours. And same time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture. That is equal to 3 by 4 hours. They are asking who worked longer. That means we have to compare these two fractions. 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 में कौन सा ज़्यादा है? So we can do that by first making them like fractions. 4 के टेबल में 12 आता है, तो the second fraction we can multiply with 3, the numerator and the denominator, so that we can create the like fractions. तो ऊपर नीचे 3 से multiply करके we are getting 9 by 12 hours. So now we can compare 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. As you can see that 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. So basically Vaibhav has worked longer. By what fraction was it longer? So they are also asking by what fraction is it longer. That means we have to check the difference between their timings. So 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12, दोनों like fractions हैं, दोनों के denominators same हैं. So we'll write it once and we'll do the numerators subtraction. So this gives us 2 by 12. इसे और simplify कर सकते हैं. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So basically it's by 1/6 of an hour that Vaibhav worked longer. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.